Ma'am, it falls under...
Quadrilateral chapter is there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
That's there. Okay, so these are your chapters and this was the weightage, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do some work today. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. You can check your test. So this is your test, children. Harshit is here. Harshit hasn't joined yet. Okay. Next is Sampath. Sampath, your marks are 22. Your marks have sent on WhatsApp also. And where did you go wrong is that you have not written the steps in this question. Where you had to construct and root over 8.5. No, you have not written steps of construction. Okay. And one more here. This question number, last question, I think, sixth question.
Ma'am, that question can you explain?
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, that question can you explain?
Yes, I'll explain that question. So here you went wrong. Okay. The rest, everything is okay. Okay, Rohit now.
Yes, ma'am.
Rohit, this is yours. See here, you have just made a very small mistake here.
Yeah, right, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You got it? So I have shown you here. See, when you have the after decimal places, after decimal numbers seen, no, then only your after decimal place will become 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, it was a 3-marker, right?
It was for 4 marks.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I've given you 2 for this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so root over 8 is correct. You have taken 2 this side and 2 here. Okay, that's fine. And even you have not written steps of construction.
Right, ma'am.
You
Yeah,
have just got 2 marks. Half the marks you have got. Out of 4, you have got 2 marks. Because half marks the steps also carry.
Ma'am, I gotten confused whether to write or not.
You have to write. What is the
Yes,
confusion?
ma'am.
Okay. So Yukta, this is yours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that's correct. I think Yukta, you have missed some question, is it?
No, ma'am. Actually, I did my 2 graphs of like the number line representation. I've sent the pictures also.
Where have you sent the pictures?
Ma'am, I've sent in the where we had to attach the file over there. Only I've sent.
You send it afterwards?
No, ma'am. I sent it that time only. I sent it in one PDF.
No, but then it should be along with this, no? Along with these questions.
Ma'am, for me, though, it's showing that it's with this PDF.
See, when I opened your test, I took your test from there only, no? So all these pages were there. I couldn't see those questions.
Ma'am, over here in my PDF, which is attached over there, I have both the pictures. Like the 3 pictures of even the line representation, number line representation.
I don't know. I'll check again. Okay, but
Okay,
this was the, but this was it. What was there in the list?
Ma'am, I've sent 3 copies. I can see it here also in the file submission. I can see I've sent 3 copies, like the same one, which have 3 pages.
Okay, I'll check.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next is Jitendra. Jitendra, you have done good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Jitendra. But just a very few mistake is that, see here, I have deducted 1 mark because you had to show actually on the number line where is root over 8. So root over 8 is when you make this big arc. So wherever this intersects so from point 0 to point, this point, A, B, C, D, you can name it. From point O to D is root over 8. Okay. Yes, Jitendra?
Yes, ma'am.
Then write steps again, even you have not written the steps. So you lost 2 marks here also. Rest everything is fine. Okay. Okay, Jitendra? Good.
Okay, ma'am.
But please write the steps. Everyone must write the steps. See, this is the only point where you have lost your marks, many of you. And Pranav, you have not given the test. Why? Rayan has not given the test.
Ma'am, is the test like on WhatsApp?
Test is never on the WhatsApp. Test is always on the Wise app.
Okay.
Don't you know that?
Yes, okay, yes, I remember that. Yeah.
So what was the confusion there? Is it the first time?
No, I actually did it once before, but this time I was out somewhere else, so I couldn't.
Okay. So now you open the test, not now, but after the class. Open the test and do it as for practice. Okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay. Pranav, turn on your video. Why do you keep your video off? Why didn't you do the test, Pranav? Yes, Pranav, tell me why didn't you do the test? You have written I was absent, but why you were absent? That's what I'm asking. Unmute and say something. Your mic is working, no? Yes, why were you absent? No answer, Pranav.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, once can you explain that question of x cube plus 1 by x cube?
Okay. I have to open the test. What was the question first? 1 second. Okay, so your question is this 5th question, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, bachche. You see here, the question is like this. X minus, what was it? X plus,
Ma'am, x square
I
minus
forgot the question. X square plus 1 by x square was 83, right? You had to, this is 83. You had to find the value. Find the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube. It's like this. So here what will you do? X minus 1 by x. Okay, since this is here a and b is a is x and b is 1 by x. Okay. So I'm just taking this side and I'm squaring it. So when I square this, I'll get x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. So x into 1 by x will be cancelled. So we just have 2 here. Okay. And the value of x square plus 1 by x square we are given. So that's 83 minus 2, which is 81. So that means x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 81. And 81 can also be written as 9 square. Yes, Sampath?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can write x minus 1 by x is equal to 9. We can write it like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I take a cube of this x, because I want x cube minus 1 by x cube. So I have to take it in that form. So I take this as whole cube minus, sorry, this whole cube will be 9 cube. If I'm taking the cube on both sides, it will be like this. So this implies x cube. Now here the same formula applies, a minus b the whole cube. What is this formula? Rohit will tell me, Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this formula? A minus b whole cube.
Ma'am,
In polynomials, you have studied all these formulas, algebraic identities.
ma'am, I'm forgetting the thing.
Why? A minus b whole cube.
Ma'am, a cube minus 2ab. All right, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please learn.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I forgot because I remembered it up, but then I forgot.
See, your motive should not be only the Sunday test. Don't think
Yes,
that you
ma'am.
just have to remember till Sunday test and then test khatam to baat khatam. It shouldn't be like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have to remember it for throughout your life, because even after your class 10th board exams, you will be taking up maths or whatever field you take, commerce, even if you take commerce, wherever you go, whichever field you take, if you have maths, then somewhere or the other these identities will come across. Okay, this
Yes,
is so
ma'am.
important.
Ma'am, can you explain again why did we subtract 2 over here from 83?
So 2 from 83.
Yes.
See here, see this. This thing is already given to us, no? X square plus 1 by x square. So in place of this, I wrote the value of this. Okay, in place of this, I wrote the value 83.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and here
Yes.
I have 2. So 83 minus 2 gave me 81. Okay,
Okay.
now see. You understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
So you understood how this 3 came? This was 3 into a into b. So 3 into x into 1 by x. So when I take multiply, x and x will cancel. So only 3 remains here. Okay. Now this is 3 and x minus 1 by x has a value. This which was given to us, I just named it equation 1. Okay. So in place of this, I will put the value 9. Are you understanding, Rayan, Sampath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now this is x cube minus 1 by x cube. And this side I have 27. 9, 3 9s is 27. So when 27 goes on the other side, this will become plus 27. Okay, so when I add this, I will get 9 plus 7 is 16, 5 and 7, 756. So I got the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube as 756.
Ma'am, once can you go up?
Roll up, okay. This is the value. Everyone can note down this.
Yes. Okay.
So these type of questions are very important. Okay. Who is this?
And what you can go down.
Right, Pranav? Pranav is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take more questions. I'll take questions from Adi Sharma, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, could you once check my PDF whether you can see the other page or no? Because over here it's showing that it's there.
Okay, right now I cannot check beta. I'll check it after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
See, first of all, whenever you are doing polynomials, no, the very first thing is that you please revise your identities. Until you know your identities, you will be stuck at one place. You cannot do more sums until you know all the identities. So knowing the identities is very important. Do you want me to give you the list of all identities again, or you all have the identities?
Only harm.
Yes, you have, I know that. But please learn. Don't forget. Okay, let's do a similar question. These type of questions are very important. Take another question like this. If x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 is 47, find the value of x cubed plus 1 by x cubed. Now, on the similar lines, can you try this sum? On the similar lines like this, it's the same question like this. Can you try? Okay. Please try, children. See, from where will you get x raised to power 4?
Ma'am, x square plus 1 by x square whole raised to 2.
Yes. If you take the whole square of x square plus 1 by x square, there only you can get x raised to power 4. Please try, children. Do yourself.
Ma'am, if the 2 goes that side, then it will be 45.
It's 47, beta.
No, ma'am, we are getting x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power plus 2 is equals to 47, no, ma'am. So 2 going that side will become minus. No,
No, no, no. Which 2 are you talking about? This 2? This is positive only, no?
yes, ma'am, the positive going that side of the
No,
equation.
no, no. This is on the same side. I have not changed any side. This is on the same side only. I have
Okay.
just put the value of 47 here, value of this part. After this, I'll do here. So in place of this, I have 7 plus 20, which is 9 plus 3 square. Those who can do yourself, please do. Okay, no need to look at the screen. See only after finishing. I'm just doing for those who need help.
Ma'am, is the answer 7, no, ma'am, 18?
Yes. Okay, wait. Okay, take another question like this for the homework. Note down one question, but do that afterwards, okay? Not now. Take it as homework. Have all done this question?
Yeah.
Shall I scroll it up?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So note down one more this type of question. These type of questions are important, beta. The questions like this, and you remember those questions in rationalization where I was giving find the value of A and root over something. You got it? Like this questions, find the value of A and B. So these questions are important. Okay, take one more question like this. This is for homework. You can try it after the class. This is question number 1. If x minus 1 by x is 5, so this is one question. Second question is if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 51. Find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 51. Find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. Take another question of the same type. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 98, then find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay. Okay, can you do these sums? And one more thing for the homework is that learn all the algebraic identities. Okay. Right, children? Learn all the algebraic identities.
So,
What's the time? Your class, the time is 6:50, 55. It's okay. The class time is over so soon. Okay, children, this is the homework, right?
Okay,
Please
ma'am.
note down this. Please note down and practice this type of sum. These type of sums are really important. Okay.
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 Ma'am, can you scroll down? Yes.
Thank
No,
you.
down.
You want to see the homework question?
Yes.
Okay. So this much for today, beta. Okay, 6:55. I have another class after this.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, would you later check the PDF?
Surely I'll check it. Okay.
Okay.
I have a class, and after that I have another class, and may get late. But
Okay.
whatever it is, okay, I'll surely check.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, beta, those who have written can leave. So please learn the algebraic identities, because whatever question we'll be doing now will be all based on algebraic identities. The chapter polynomials is based on identities only. Okay, done? Ryan, done?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I wrote it.
Okay.
Bye,
Have
ma'am.
you written this? Have all written? Shall I wind up the class? Hello? So I'm stop sharing now. Okay? Okay, children, thank you.